I'm Ava, and welcome to Korean Ladder, where tiny Korean choices start to feel natural.
안녕하세요, 하나입니다. 오늘은 내와 얘를 자연스럽게 쓰는 감각을 배워요.
안녕하세요. 준호입니다. Shops, school, phone calls, and formal replies all have slightly different yes energy.
Okay, real question. I hear now all the time, but then on the phone I hear it. Are they the same, or am I missing something?
좋은 질문이에요. 네 and 예 both mean a polite yes, but they feel different in real situations.
The short version is this. 네 is the everyday polite yes. 예 is also polite, and it often sounds more formal, careful, or official.
오늘의 패턴은 대답이에요. 네, 예. In English, the pattern is not grammar heavy. It is choosing the right polite response for the mood.
So this is not like one is correct and the other is wrong?
Exactly. 네 is safe in most normal polite conversations. 예 can be safe too, but it may sound a little more formal or stiff in casual everyday places.
카페에서 주문을 확인할 때는 네가 아주 자연스러워요. In a cafe or shop, 네, often sounds friendly and normal.
예, 맞습니다 is also correct. But it sounds more formal, like you are giving a careful official answer.
So, 네, 맞아요.
Is like normal polite,
예, 맞습니다.
is like extra formal.
맞아요. 네, 맞아요. It's a great learner sentence. It sounds polite, simple, and natural.
Now listen to a school or classroom setting. A teacher asks and a student answers politely.
여기서 네는 아주 자연스러워요. In class, 네 can mean yes, okay? I hear you, or I understand.
That explains why na is everywhere.
It is not only yes.
It can be like, okay, I'm listening.
Right. On the phone, you may hear 네 repeated many times, like back-channeling. 네, 네, 네. It means I'm listening.
전화에서는 예도 자주 들려요. 예 can sound attentive, formal, or businesslike on the phone.
So if I answer a random business call with it, I won't sound weird?
Not weird. Yeah, can sound professional. But with a friend or a casual cafe worker, 네, usually feels softer and more everyday.
발음도 확인해요. 네 is not English 네. Keep it short and light. 네.
예 is also short and clean. 예, 상해성은 한도가. It is not a long dramatic 예.
Let me try both.
네,
좋아요. 네 is everyday polite. 예 is polite and often more formal. Keep both short.
Now let's hear a short shop dialogue. Listen for how 네 works as yes, okay, and confirmation.
봉투 필요하세요?
네, 부탁드려요.
영수증 드릴까요?
네, 주세요.
In that shop scene would be possible, but maybe a little stiff?
맞아요. 예, 부탁드려요 is correct, but 네, 부탁드려요 sounds very natural in a shop.
Now formal reply. Imagine a meeting, interview, office, or military style answer. 예, 알겠습니다. Sounds crisp and formal.
하지만 everyday lesson에서는 네, 알겠습니다도 좋아요. Both are polite. 예, just raises the formality a little.
I want a rule of thumb. If I'm unsure, should I use na?
For O1 learners, yes. In most everyday polite situations, choose 네 first. Use 예 when the setting feels more formal, official, or careful.
주의할 점이 있어요. English speakers sometimes think 예 is the only respectful form, and 네 is casual. That is not true.
Oh, I totally thought no was the casual one and was the polite one.
네 is polite. It is used with 요 endings and formal situations too. Casual yes is more like 응 or with close friends, not today's focus.
Another mistake is overusing 예 in every cafe or casual class moment. It is not wrong, but it may sound extra formal.
So if the barista asks, 따뜻한 걸로 드릴까요? I can just say,
네, 주세요.
완벽해요. 네, 주세요 is simple, polite, and very useful.
Quick register check. A company calls you to confirm an appointment. Which reply sounds the most professional and careful?
I'm choosing C
예, 맞습니다.
because the setting is official and the ending is formal.
정답은 C예요. 예, 맞습니다 sounds professional and careful. B is polite too, but a little more everyday. A is casual, so avoid it here.
Second check. In a cafe, the worker asks if you want a receipt. Which answer is the most natural, everyday, polite choice?
That should be A.
네, 주세요.
B is too formal for the meaning, and C is too casual.
정답은 A예요. 네, 주세요 is polite and natural in a shop. 예, 맞습니다 means yes, that is correct. So it does not fit the receipt request. 정리해 볼게요. 첫째, 네와 예는 둘 다 공손한 yes예요. In English, both 네 and 예 are polite ways to say yes.
둘째, 일상 대화에서는 네가 가장 자연스러워요. In shops, cafes, and normal polite conversation, 네, is usually your safest choice.
셋째, 얘는 더 격식 있거나 조심스러운 느낌을 줄 수 있어요. In English, use 예 when the situation feels formal, official, or careful.
넷째, 전화에서는 네와 예가 모두 들려요. In English, repeated 네 can mean I'm listening, and 예 may sound more business-like.
My keeper sentence is,
네, 주세요.
I can use that today in a cafe or shop.
오늘은 이 한 문장만 기억하세요. 네, 주세요. In English, remember this one sentence. Yes, please.
Next time, we climb into polite endings with 요, the small ending that changes the whole social feeling.
Thanks for climbing with us on Korean Ladder. See you on the next rung.